Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and safe at your home. Students, today we will learn about ascending order and descending order. Today our topic is ascending order and descending order. Firstly, we will discuss about ascending order. Ascending order, when we arrange numbers from the smallest to the greatest, from the smallest छोटे से to the greatest बड़े की तरफ, we call it ascending order. जब हम numbers को इस तरह से arrange करते हैं कि हम छोटे से बड़े की तरफ जाएं, तो इस order को कहते हैं ascending order. Here I will show you an example. Here you can see three different numbers. First one 13, second one 17 and fourth one 14. Here you can see the smallest number is 13. The smallest number is 13 and the greatest number is 17 and the greatest number is 17. So here we will arrange them in ascending order. Firstly, here is ones 3, 7, 4. The tens number are same and the ones are 3, 7, 4. The smallest number, the greatest number. Here we will arrange them in correct order, and that is 13, 14, 17. Here you can see the correct order from smallest to greatest. 13, 14, 17. The next one is descending order. As I have shared you in the start that we will discuss today ascending order and descending order. We have learnt about ascending order. Now here we will read about descending order. Descending order, when we arrange numbers from the greatest to the smallest. greatest बड़े से छोटे की तरफ. जब हम नंबर्स को इस तरह से अरेंज करते हैं कि सबसे बड़े को पहले लिखेंगे, फिर उससे छोटे को, फिर उससे छोटे को, फिर सबसे छोटे को, एंड वी से दे आर इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. आई विल शो यू एन एग्जाम्पल. Here you can see 11, 17, 15. The 11 is smallest number and the 17 is greatest number and 15 is between. Next we will arrange them. 17 the greatest number, 15 the in between, and 11 is smallest number. Here is the example of descending order from greatest to smallest. So students, I hope you got it understand very well. So students, now you have to learn this from your parents' help or your tuition teacher. Thank you students. Allah Hafiz.